MG's dynamic future was showcased with a global debut at the Festival of Speed. The dramatic MG Cyber GTS Concept broke cover for the first time. It pays homage to the MGC GTS Sebring, which secured the highest ever factory MG result at the famous 12-hour race in 1968 in the prototype class, and which is a key part of MG's identity as the quintessential British sporting marque. MG's designers have created this special concept, delivering a rear-wheel drive car that utilizes MG's advanced, high-performance EV powertrains. The Cyber GTS concept explores the further potential for MG, creating a new future for a GTS model in the EV era, and follows in the footsteps of the Cyberster, which is the world's first open-top EV two-seater to go into production.